Hey guys, let's talk about today's incident. What happened with my account, how it got hacked, and how did I recover the account. So basically, I usually slept at 11:30. Around 6 o'clock, I woke up and checked my account first. So I woke up and I saw my account. I can't access my account as I have different device. My account was logged into my MacBook and also on my iPad Air M3. So all three devices are logged in with the same account, and I don't really use any kind of hacked apps or anything like that because of the security issue. I thought I would be able to recover the account directly from this device, but I found out that it was not really that easy. So the user whoever hacked my account, he was streaming some sort of gaming video. At first what I did, I tried to recover my account in usual manner as we do, but unfortunately he removed my passkeys, Google Authenticator, recovery email, my phone number, everything. But I do know now how he did that. So when I try to log in, I failed. Then I post it on my Telegram that I will be quitting my journey because obviously I lost my account. So as you can see here, help me guys, my YouTube account got hacked and I'm quitting because I thought I'm a very small YouTuber and YouTube community might not help me to recover my account, but I was wrong. So I asked Google Assistant, what can I do to recover my account? So they give me some steps like go through the process like account recovery and all those things, but it didn't work. And also they said that to post it on X by tagging the team YouTube. So some of my subscribers, they said that to do that, ask help from team YouTube. So I posted that thing. So if I check my account now, I don't really have any kind of X account. So I posted two posts. So as you can see here, I got reply from team YouTube, and the real post was like this. So my channel YouTube/random repairs was hacked today on 14th April 2026, and the hacker has changed my password and all the account details. I can no longer access my account. Please help me. So the team YouTube, as you can see here, they replied me on that post. So they said, sorry, you are going through this. The next step is to get some information from you to share with the team in change of restoring account. Can you follow us so we can DM you to get that info? So when I got this email from them, I got a little hope that okay, now I'm going to recover my account because I do have my AdSense account, and also my Google Authenticator is still generating the code, but obviously the code is not working because it has been removed. The account is still in my Authenticator app, so it is generating code. So I do have proof that this is my account and I can prove that. So they asked me to follow them to DM me. Now I'm trying to DM on X. You have to create passcode to access DM. Right now, if I try to create passcode, as you can see here, it is giving me some sort of error. I did try many passcode and changing the device. Try to log into my iPad. Also try to log in on my MacBook. Nothing helped. And after that, what I said, I can't access XChat feature. It's having communication issue. I watch some videos, I do some online researches why it is happening. So many people said that it is from their side, from X side. So it will resolve automatically, like it takes 1 to 2 days. Obviously, I cannot wait 1 to 2 days. I might lose my account permanently if I do that. So I was trying to recover my account and just trying the random password and everything. Finally, after some time, maybe they open the recovery process. I don't really know how it happens. And after trying maybe 1,000 times, like I was started doing it from 6. So my account got hacked today at 11:12 a.m. That means at night, and I was sleeping. I didn't have any idea that my account is actually getting hacked. So the account hacked on 11:09. Google account was recovered. He got access of my account, and two-step verification removed on 11:12, and critical security. So the attempt was blocked by Google. So what he did actually, when he got the access of my account, he generated backup code and he used those code to regain the access. So as you know, you can get access code, 10 of them, and whenever your account get hacked, you can use those code to access your account. He used them and he got the access, and he changed everything like passkey, password, whatever. He just removed everything, and my account was completely gone. My ID was there. He changed the name, and also he was streaming. I didn't really have any idea that the account would be recoverable, but still I tried many times, and the Google actually opened the recovery channel. They gave me a chance to change the password, which I did. So I changed the password around 11:41. So after kind of 7 to 8 hours later, I got the chance to recover my account, and I got access. I changed the password, passkey, and also I generated 10 more codes for me. Also, I changed the recovery email and everything. So now the account is back and it is obviously with me now. I did remove all the streaming things and everything after getting the access of my account. Now I'm suspecting that the way it was hacked. So my account is logged into three of my devices. So and iPad Air, Vivo X200 Pro, and MacBook. So I'm completely sure that it was hacked from my MacBook because a few days ago I installed some software to bypass iCloud locker from my iPod 5th gen. They are correct, so you have to get them access using your passcode, password, and install them. Obviously, they didn't work, but I did not remove those application, and maybe they got access through those. So after gaining access of my account, so I wiped everything from my MacBook, so nothing is here, no software is here, and also I have changed all of my password, and even my recovery email also I have changed. The recovery email I have used before. Now everything seems to be doing fine, so I have to be cautious about installing any software right now because it was quite stressful actually, like losing account and not getting access to your own account where you are working for 3 years or 4 years. Obviously the account is pretty small, it is not earning much money, but still it was my hard work, my passion. I'm thankful to Team YouTube that they helped me in that case. I don't really know how it happened, but obviously after my tweet they maybe opened the channel to recover the account. So if you lose your account, don't panic like me. You can recover your account if you have enough information to provide to YouTube. They will restore your channel because most of the hackers who hack account, they usually stream or upload irrelevant videos. So whenever Google see this kind of issues, they always return the account to the owner if the owner can provide the informations. So I'm going to be careful about my account now. I will try to save it actually. And also I'm thankful to those people who messaged me on my Telegram channel to get help from Team YouTube. So thanks to them too. So that's all about this journey. Obviously I will regularly upload videos on this channel. So thank you very much for staying beside me. That's all for today.